Hey there, folks. If you're a USAA member looking to make sending and receiving money a breeze, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to set up Zelle with your USAA account. Zelle is a fast, secure way to transfer funds directly from your bank, and integrating it with USAA can save you time and hassle. Whether you're splitting bills with friends or paying back a loan, this setup will have you covered in no time. First things first, make sure you have a USAA checking account and the Zelle app downloaded on your smartphone, or access it through the USAA mobile app. Start by logging into your USAA online banking portal or app using your secure credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Payments or Transfers section. Look for the Zelle option, which is usually prominent. Next, if Zelle isn't already enrolled, you'll need to enroll it. Click on the Zelle enrollment button and follow the prompts. This typically involves verifying your identity with your phone number or email. USAA will send you a confirmation code. Enter that to proceed. Now, link your USAA account by selecting it as your funding source. Double-check the details to ensure everything matches. After that, you'll set up your contacts. Add the phone numbers or emails of people you want to send money to, and Zelle will handle the rest. Remember, transactions are usually instant, so test it out with a small amount first. One quick tip. If you run into any issues, like verification problems, contact USAA customer support. They're great at walking you through it. Also, always use secure networks to protect your info. There you have it. Setting up Zelle with USAA is straightforward and takes just a few minutes. Once done, you'll wonder how you managed without it. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more finance tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.